Hi, my name is Nick Ebenroth, Product Manager of Keystone Carbon. Today I want to show you our brand new Carbon 403 floor plan. We're going to start in the bedroom where you can see these both oversized nightstands on each side of the bed with charging stations on each side as well for your phone, seat paps, whatever you would like on both sides. Once we get to this side, you can see you got a big wardrobe slide that has tons of drawer space here, all sorts of shelving, and then also you have nice hanging closet space as well. In addition to that, you also have quite a bit of storage underneath the bed as well with your folding table that you can put anywhere you want in the coach. Once we move into the bathroom, you can see every single Carbon has a double entrance to the bathroom from the bedroom and the hallway. You have nice cabinet space throughout here in your vanity, and you also have an oversized shower as well with the linen closet here. And then additionally, every single Carbon will have a seat in the bathroom as well. As we work down into the living room, first of all, you can see that we do no carpet as you go up the steps or in the slide out box as well. That's something where you're going to find a lot of custom competition that's going to do carpet through here, and in the steps, ours are all going to be the laminate floor or the wood steps as you go up. So big thing for us here is the living room. This Carbon 403 is the largest living room we've ever done in this kind of price point, and the largest you're going to find on the market. So you have a big L-shaped kitchen here where you have tons and tons of pantry space. This isn't a thin pantry. You actually have a lot of deep cabinet space through here. And we do a lot of little things to try to bring it like you are at home. So you can tell something small, but here you go. You've got all soft close cabinet drawers on every single Carbon. Along with that, solid surface countertops, plenty of prepping and cooking space. But in addition to that, you have a big farmhouse sink, and this sink cover here is also turns into a drying rack. So you can slide that over, wash your dishes, turn around and dry them right here without having to fight the space as you're cooking. Once we lean over towards the refrigerator, you can find we do all stainless steel appliances, but we do a nice big 12 cubic foot refrigerator. Typically, you're gonna find an 8 cubic foot in most of the competition, so you get a big giant 12 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator in this floor plan. Once we lean into the living room, once again, this is nice because it's a separated kitchen and living room, which you typically don't see in a toy hauler, but what you're gonna find here is 2 recliners on this side, which are gonna have heat, light, and massage, and then a big giant L-shaped sofa through here so you can sit 3 to 4 people this way. And the nice thing is it all leans right towards your big 40-inch TV that you can come out on a big swivel and turn wherever you want. So no matter where you're sitting, you have a great viewing angle to the TV. Once again, like I said, just tons and tons of cabinet space and pantry space as you go throughout the unit. Once we lean into the garage, this is ultimately the reason why we're all buying these toy haulers in the first place. You have a big 13-foot garage. So not only do you have a 13-foot garage with a massive living room, but you also get a half bath back here with washer dryer prep as well. That's not typical in a Carbon price point. Every single Carbon will come with washer dryer prep back here in the garage. But I will lean towards this half bath. So the nice thing what we've done here with this half bath is make it large enough to use, but small enough that you still get 67 inches wide between the exterior wall and the bath wall. That way if you have a RZR, a four-wheeler, a side-by-side, golf cart, whatever it is, you can fit it in between the bathroom wall and the side wall, and you can still fit anything else on the other side as well. Finally, one more thing I want to touch on, and this is specific in every single Carbon, is all of our tie downs are welded straight to the chassis and rated at 5,000 pounds a piece. So not a D-ring that's just screwed or lag bolted to the floor. They're actually all going to be welded. And then, like I said, finally here, as you look in the back, all of our Carbons will come with dual bunk beds as well. So you have 2 queen beds that will just either turn into a couch or they'll flip in to make this big giant queen bed. And then this will come down to make so that the dual queen bunk beds for the kids or your guests or whatever you're looking for. So I'm really excited about this Carbon 403 because, like I said, it's got more living room space than anything we've ever done. Separated kitchen and living room. Still plenty of garage space back here with a 13-foot garage. And so this is going to be a home run floor plan. So thank you for taking the time. I challenge all of you guys to go to Keystone RV, and that way you can learn more about our Carbon floor plans. Thank you.